Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad Sangma today described a joint STEM bus tour with members of the State Assembly as a meaningful way to conclude the budget session as they visited key infrastructure projects coming up in the new Shillong township. During the bus ride, Conrad Sangma also encouraged students across Shillong to make use of the STEM buses operating in the city. He also appealed to parents to have confidence in the system, assuring them that the buses are safe and a dependable means of transportation for students.
And of course, up there is the secretariat. There will be a women's working hostel here. So this is the women's working hostel, and the skills park is in front of them. Yes, sir. That's the secretariat. But so that secretariat is like secretariat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Later on, we thought let's take the best for the in phase 2. It's almost complete. And in another month or so, the second IT parking phase.
This is also 80 acres, huh?
Yes, sir. We had to then ultimately break it down, so we had to give it that side. So people are working inside now.
But you have taken back that land which was given to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They choose the best one.
Yes, sir. We gave everything.
They have that tendency.
This is the IEEE. With interiors, everything. With interiors. So we are standing here right now.
Okay.
This is the ring here. So this is going to be like this.
Yeah.
And we were here just now. We walked just like this and we came here.
Yeah.
This is also going to be one road, and there's going to be the big road at the bottom there. And then we plan to put up the directorates will come there in that part.
That side is there.
So the directorates will be here. So this will be the 2 rings will be there. The full secretariat 2 rings. So this is this one, the white, this one outer ring. This is what the building is.
Because during MBA 2 will be for 5. 3.
And work is going on 24 hours.
Chalo.
I think so we can go down.
So we are on the STEM bus, and as you know, the STEM bus is also meant for our students. So this is also a message to our parents that the legislatures themselves are sitting in this STEM bus, and therefore it's absolutely safe, and we are here to show that to you, and really to encourage that more and more students and parents should adopt this, because it helps in the overall decongestion and reducing the traffic on the streets. So therefore, we encourage parents and students to take the STEM bus whenever possible. Thank you.